Good morning, students. Today we are going to do Hordes of chapter 3. Question number 1 of Hordes is perimeter of a rectangle is 2.4 meter less than 2.2 upon 5 of the perimeter of a square. If the perimeter of the square is 40 meter, find the length and breadth of the rectangle. Given that breadth is 1 by 3 of the length. One by one we will do this. See, step by step. Uh, Firstly, rectangle and square is given to you. We know that this is a rectangle. See, rectangle has two opposite sides equal, means length is equal to length and breadth is equal to breadth. And square, in square all the four sides are equal. What is the perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. This is the formula of finding perimeter of a rectangle. And this is perimeter of square. This is the formula 4 into side. Okay, you should know the perimeter of rectangle and perimeter of square, formulas of these two. Clear? Now in question it is given that if the perimeter of the rectangle the perimeter of the square is 40 meter. Okay, see, firstly we will write this. Perimeter of the square is 40 meter. It is given to us, and we have to find the length and breadth of the rectangle. To find length and breadth of the rectangle, this we have to find out. Now it is given perimeter of the rectangle is 2.4 meter less than 2 upon 5 of the perimeter of a square. Given that, this we will write like this. Given that perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2.4 meter less than whatever is given here, I am going to write that 2.4 meter less than 2 by 5 of perimeter of the square. It is given here. Okay, see, here firstly we will write the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Okay, and it is given here 2.4 meter less than, okay, 2 by 5 of perimeter of square. We know perimeter of square is given, this is 40 meter is it is given. Of perimeter of square 2.2 upon 5, we will multiply these two, and 2.4 meter less means from this we will subtract 2.4. okay, after solving we will get 16 minus 2.4. in this way we will subtract these two, we will get 13.6. see, this formula as it is we will write here. 13.6 will come, by 2 we will divide. L plus B is equal to 6.8 meter. Okay, next is, it is already given in question. Find the length and breadth of the rectangle. You have to find the length and breadth of the rectangle, and it is also given that breadth is 1 by 3 of its length. Okay, the breadth of the rectangle is 1 by 3 of its length. See, breadth of the rectangle is 1 by 3 of the length. So we can write it as B is equal to 1 by 3 multiply length. This way we can write. Now we can put this value in this. L plus B is equal to 6.8. Okay, here see, here we can put the value. B is equal to 1 by upon 3. Here L plus B is equal to 6.8. L we will write as it is In place of b we can write this. Okay, by taking LCM we can find this. 4 upon 3 into L is equal to 6.8. Now L is equal to 6.8 multiply 3 by 4. Okay, after cancellation we will get 1.7. Now L is equal to 5.1. Okay, we will put this value in B. B is equal to 1 by 3 into L. Here we will put the value of L. By this we can get the value of B also. Here we found length of the rectangle is 5.1 meter and breadth is 1.7 meter. In this way you can do this question. Okay, thank you.